of course, for the big plane, the engine are supposed to be more powerful. But of course, the plane is heavier. So I think it's in terms of, I mean, in the bad condition, that's bad for all of them. So in a terrible weather condition, then they all have to stop to fly.
Have you flown in this A380 yet yourself?
No, not really. I heard that the China Southern Airlines has ordered A380s, but they're not delivered yet. So.
Do you think there's any concern, though, with this press that we've been hearing over the past couple of days from Qantas when one of its engines blew out over Indonesia as it was flying from Singapore to Sydney? It was over Indonesia, had to turn around. Do you think this will affect potential customers who may be at this particular air show?
Yeah, I think the effect is more on the engine companies, on Rolls-Royce, because somehow it is discovered that the Rolls-Royce engine, the Trent 900, is somehow have some design problems. Of course, we are not sure what is exactly the problem, but I'm sure it's very technical. The aircraft A380 itself actually is quite good. As we can see, it came back even in that terrible condition when the engine sort of blows out. So as you can see, the aircraft is quite reliable.
And let's be fair as well, even though we did see a blowout, this was a plane belonging to one carrier. There are a number of airlines, Lufthansa, Emirates, I think Singapore Airlines, well, that uses this A380 model, but they haven't experienced
the same engine. Of course, it will have some effects to the airlines because the passenger may think about what aircraft they are going to take. But I mean, it also shows how complicated, how difficult this industry has the challenges has to meet. It's really a high-tech industry.
Earlier I asked you about the all-weather conditions for a jet to take off in. As you mentioned there, the very short takeoff process, and then the tremendous lift, which is assisted by the delta wing and so on and so forth. You mentioned there that the wind